Papapapapap. Bagang.
To Elihino.
Hindi mo napapansin
Basahin with the ball. No good.
First game. Oh, and Adeng,
By
first
Gudran.
game. Big boys.
To Elihino.
Tsaka
Fires
Young
again. No good. Rebound by Alcantara.
Dalawa lang yata maglalaro ngayon.
Comes Alcantara. To the
Quarterfinals.
inside. Padillo. No good. Rebound by Basahin. To Elihino. $14 on the shot clock. To Basahin. To Gudran. 10 to shoot. Gudran speeds back to Elihino.
Irihino ay.
No good. Rebound by Padillo to Flores.
Napagpunta mo doon, tapon mo yung
Flores
basura na.
to
Baka lumipad yun sa
Soberano
gitna.
for
Ha?
two.
Baka lumipad kasi sa gitna. Malakas ang hangin.
Mirai. Intercepted steal by Alcantara.
The quarter.
Alcantara. Floater.
Teka na.
2 points.
Ha?
Baba agad sa apat ang kalamangan ng Big Boys agad. Official score 26-22.
Apapap ka na.
Mga papapap.
Elehino to Garcia. Fires. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. Here comes the Young D again. Alcantara drives. Basket.
Ma, apapap.
Foul on jersey number 8.
Apapap.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Pantalapayag mo ata.
6-0 red para sa Young Dreamers.
Spider.
Ang didit.
Spider flying.
Basket. Baba sa isa ang kalamangan. Gundran with the ball to Basahin. No good. Rebound by Flores. Here comes Young D again. Back to Flores to the inside. Alcantara for
Sa
two.
video ayaw.
9-0 run para sa kupunan ng Young
Uy.
Dreamers.
Bye.
Basahin to Garcia. 3
Anong
points.
bay?
No good. Rebound by Padillo to Alcantara. Here comes the Young D again. Alcantara.
Foul.
Nay.
Bye.
Bye-bye kita dyan.
Kana.
Foul on jersey number 8.
Ay, paayos mo
Second
yung ring mo
personal
doon.
foul. Second team
Yung
foul.
ring mo yung malaki sa labas.
27-26. Lamang na lang isa.
Dadalagi.
Ang Young D.
Board lang naman kulang doon. May kahoy na doon.
Apapap mo.
Pakabit mo kay tatay.
Mga papap.
Yung ring. Kasangom, Jergas yun.
Galas.
Timeout.
Rep.
Big boys agad. Official score 28-26. Lamang na ng dalawa. Ang Young Dreamers. Back to the ball game.
Lahan kalaro.
And
Laang
nothing
kalaro.
more para sa kupunan ng Young Dreamers.
Wala pa yung mga tropa mo.
Sign
May mat ng sulok.
to Piray. Drag jumper, no good. Rebound.
Wala pa si Prince.
Foul on jersey number
Dati yun.
13.
Di na pupunta pag gabi.
Ganon.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Papapap. Okay, papapap.
Alarte fires. No good. Rebound by Viray. Here comes the big boy Sagad. Viray with the ball to Basayan. Fakes, drives. Basayan kick out to Gundran. To Elihino. Fires. No good. Rebound by Alarte. Here comes the Young D again. 3-on-2. Alarte to Alcantara. To Soberano for 2.
30, 26. Lamang ang Young D.
Aquino. Nothing run para sa kubunan ng Young D. Basayan, no good. Rebound para sa kubunan ng Young D. Here comes Young D again. To Padillo for 2.
Babay ni Coach 8, ma. Handsome ang
14, nothing run.
Enjoyed.
Ha?
Na-enjoy.
On the last 3 minutes
Pwede
and
man.
20 seconds.
Di ba na-sub-sub din ay
Basahin.
gulong-gulong.
Hintay.
To the inside Aquino, no good. Rebound, here comes Young D again. A head pass, touchdown to Soberano for 2.
Ray, umaariba na ang Young D. 34, 26.
Akyat sa malo ang kalamangan ng Young D.
Twice to beat guys ang Big Boy Sagad.
Viray. No good. Rebound. Para sa kabalan ng Young D. Flores. Soberano. To Flores. Flores. 2 points.
Sarap.
18 nothing run. Para sa kabalan ng Young D.
Lumalayo, 10 na. 36-26.
Lamang na ng 10 ang Young Dreamers. To Elihino. Then to shoot. Back to Aquino. Intercepted. 7 seconds to shoot. To Viray. No good. Rebound. Here comes Flores. 4-on-5 Flores. Kick out to Soberano. Far short. Rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara. To Padillo. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Gundran. Let's go fast. Touchdown Basayan. The layup. There you go. 2 points. Nakabutas din sa second quarter. Soberano to Padillo. Mabibitawan ng bola. Kuha ni Aquino. To Gundran. To Basayan. Basayan drives. Layup. 2 points. Timeout. Young Dreamers. Official score. 36-30.
Ubog sa igibukot ko. Practice nga malmalam, nakadumog ka na ba? Igibukot ko, practice ka nagmalmalam nili.
Ayo.
Pag kami nindilan, apay pa naman yung papa. Oo, kinabali pa yung pampanunuto. Dito sa bilang. Lalap sana.
Diretso.
Subset ni Konsi Gata.
Kapsa na?
Kapsa na?
Apa ba, pre? Apa ba?
Ha?
Next game yata yung Aces niya. Ano? Next game Aces yata. Tsaka Zelda. Next game Aces tsaka Zelda. Twice to beat ang
No.
Aces yata.
No.
To Alarte.
So,
Here comes Soberano.
Pre, apa ba?
apapap.
Alcantara with the ball.
Apapap ka ng apapap. Nakakainis.
Alcantara fires. No good. Rebound.
Andiyan na
By
sila.
Ilomin.
Tumating na sila.
Ilomin.
Tumating na yung
To Basayan.
players
Basayan
ng
drives.
Big Boys.
Hesitates to Elihino. Fires. In and out. Rebound by Alcantara.
Dito nga. Sul pa.
Alcantara. To the inside. To Basayan.
Mamang tas.
Basayan. 2 points. Basa 4.
Salamat.
Palitan ng run. to Alarte. 14 on the shot clock. To Soberano. 10 to shoot. Mangosan. 5 to shoot. Soberano. 24 shot clock violation.
Thirty-six, 32 lamang ang Yandy.
Eli Hino with the ball.
Lilipad.
Basain. Spins. Layup. 2 points. What a shot by Basain. Baba sa dalawa. Ang kalamangan. Alcantara. Drives. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Bray. To Basain. Alarte with the ball. To Soberano. To Mangosan. He's still and intercepted. To Basain. Basain blocked by Alcantara. Alcantara drives. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 12.
No, Barcite.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Barcite. Nga dito
To Alcantara.
Nickname.
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
14 on the shot clock.
Carl.
Ha?
2-pointer. No good. Rebound by Gundran.
Krav.
To Viral.
Ralph.
Ha?
Ralph.
Ralph. Nickname na.
RJ.
RJ.
To Eligino. To Gundran. 10 to shoot. No good. Soberano. Touchdown. Fake. Soberano. No good. Gundran. Layup. Tapal. Here comes Soberano. Soberano. Rolling violation. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on the second quarter. Elihino to Ilumin. Basain fires. 3 points. Lamang na ng isa ulit.
Lamang na ang big boys.
Ang Big Boys.
36-37.
Last 2 minutes on the second quarter. Alcantara to Padillo.
Ma,
No
meron
good.
laro ng rim
To Ilumin.
rattlers.
Ilumin fires. No good. Rebound by Padillo. To Alcantara.
Bukas yata sila.
Alcantara drives. Susundan sa kanya pa rin ang bola.
Sus nga, hindi na
Foul on jersey
maglalaro.
number 12. Second
Hindi ko alam
personal
kung
foul.
pasok sila o ano.
Penalty.
Tignan ko.
Papaprek. Papapap.
Wala, naglag yung Swiss. Naglag. Rim Rattlers, ano, rank 1 sila eh.
Yung standing daw.
Rank 1 Rattlers.
Hindi, ay Swiss.
Sa
Wala,
Young Dreamers,
hindi ko alam.
ang kalamangan.
Nahalo sila. Ayan eh. Top 6.
Papapap.
Here comes Ilumin.
Control ace.
14 on the shot clock.
Apapap.
Tupasan fires. No good. Rebound by Mangosan. To Alcantara. Alcantara. 2 points. Basain to Viray. Foul on jersey number 15. First personal foul, first team foul.
Nice.
Skip. Last throw, jumpers ready.
Apapap.
Rebound by Viray. 10 to shoot. To Basain. Basain. No good. Rebound by Alcantara.
Hindi pa
Alcantara.
wish.
Stop. Alcantara, no good. Rebound by Viray to Elihino. 45 seconds on the second quarter. Elihino drives to Ilumin, fakes, spins. Back to
Slide na.
Elihino. To Basayan, fakes. 10 to shoot. Kundran fires.
Uy.
3 points.
You know.
Tapos ginan. Grabe talaga.
To Alcantara.
40-41 lamang ang big boys.
Alcantara.
Ganda ng laban nila.
To Padillo. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Viray. Ahead pass. Touchdown. 2 points. 5 seconds. Alcantara fires short.
40-43 lamang ang big boys sagad.
And
End
that's
of
the end for
second
our first
quarter.
half. Official score.